Chapter 1. Pre-number concepts. Tall and short. Tall and short denote the height of an object. Tall. Short. Big and small. Big and small denote the size of an object. Big. Small. Long and short. Long and short denote the length of an object. Long. Short. Far and near. Far and near denote the distance of an object. Near. Far. On and under. On and under denote the position of an object. On. Under. Left and right. Left and right denotes the direction of an object. Right. Left. Inside and outside. Inside refers to an inner or surrounded object. Outside refers to an object that is in the open. Inside. Outside. Chapter 2. Numbers 1 to 10. Read and trace. 1. O. N. E. 1. 2. T. W. O. 2. 3. T. H. R. E. E. 3. 4. F. O. U. R. 4. 5. F. I. V. E. 5. 6. S. I. X. 6. 7. S. E. V. E. N. 7. 8. E. I. G. H. T. 8. 9. N. I. N. E. 9. 10. T. E. N. 10. Chapter 3. Concept of zero. Amit's mother has served 2 apples in a plate. Amit eats up both the apples. Now, no apples is left in the plate. We can say that there is 0 apples in the plate. 0 indicates something absent. So, 0 means nothing. 0 is written as 0. We read it as 0. Addition with 0. When we add 0 to a number or a number added to 0, the sum remains the same. 6 and 0 is equal to 6. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. It means 0 has no value in addition. Subtraction with 0. When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference remains the same. 6 taken 0 is equal to 6. 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. It means 0 has no value in subtraction. When we subtract a number from the same number, we get 0. 3 taken 3 is equal to 0. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Chapter 4. Numbers 11 to 20. There are 10 matchsticks in the bundle. It makes 110. There is one matchstick. It means 1 1. Thus, 10 ones make 110. 110 plus 1 1 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. E L E V E N 110 plus 2 110 plus 2 is equal to 12. T W E L V E 110 plus 3 110 plus 3 is equal to 13. T H I R T E E N 110 plus 4 110 plus 4 is equal to 14. F O U R T E E N 110 plus 5 110 plus 5 is equal to 15. F I F T E E N 110 plus 6 110 plus 6 is equal to 16. S I X T E E N 110 plus 7 110 plus 7 is equal to 17. S E V E N T E E N 110 plus 8 110 plus 8 is equal to 18. E I G H T E E N 110 plus 9 110 plus 9 is equal to 19. N I N E T E E N 110 plus 10 110 plus 10 is equal to 20. T W E N T Y. Chapter 5. Numbers and numeration. Before, between and after. 3 ducks are swimming in a pond. The black duck is before the white duck. The white duck is between the black and yellow ducks. The yellow duck is after the white duck. In the same way, 1 comes before 2, 2 comes before 3. 3 comes after 2 and 2 comes after 1. 2 is between 1 and 3. Chapter 6. Comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers tells us about the number which is greater or less than or equal to another number. Greater than. See the example. There are 3 samosas. There are 2 samosas. Now we compare. 1 samosa is left as extra. It means 3 samosas are greater than 2 samosas. Or 3 is greater than 2. We write it as 3 greater than 2. The sign means is greater than. The greater number is placed towards the open side of the symbol. Less than. There are 4 mangoes. There are 5 mangoes. Now we compare. 1 mango is left as extra. It means 4 mangoes are less than 5 mangoes. Or 4 is less than 5. We write it as 4 less than 5. The sign means is less than. The smaller number is placed towards the closed side of the symbol. Equal to. There are 2 birds. There are 2 birds. Now we compare. It means 2 birds are equal to 2 birds. No bird is extra. Or 2 is equal to 2. We write it as 2 is equal to 2. The sign means is equal to. Equal numbers are placed in both sides of the symbol. Chapter 7. Order of numbers. The children are having a race. Look at the picture and know their positions. Vinod, Geeta, Ayush. Ayush is before Geeta. Vinod is after Geeta. Geeta is in between Ayush and Vinod. Chapter 8. Ascending and descending order. Ascending order. When numbers are arranged from the smallest to the biggest, it is called ascending order or increasing order. This order is also called forward counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Descending order. When numbers are arranged from the biggest to the smallest, it is called descending order or decreasing order. This order is also called backward or reverse counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chapter 9. Addition, up to 20. When 2 or more things of the same kind are taken together, it is called addition. The result is known as sum. Addition by counting objects. 2 monkeys plus 3 more monkeys is equal to. Now, there are 5 monkeys. We see that 2 monkeys and 3 monkeys when taken together make 5 monkeys. It means 2 plus 3 equals 5. We read it as 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 sparrows plus 3 sparrows is equal to. Now, there are 8 sparrows. We see that 5 sparrows and 3 more sparrows make 8 sparrows together. We write it as 5 plus 3 equals 8. We read it as 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Addition by drawing lines vertically. Example. Let us add 5 and 2. First of all, arrange the numbers as shown. Now, draw 5 lines on the right of 5 and 2 lines on the right of 2. Now count all the lines together and write the number 7. Since there are 7 lines in all, the answer is 7. Addition by drawing lines horizontally. Example. Let us add 4 and 4. First, put the numbers as shown. Now, draw 4 lines below 4 and 4 lines below 4. Then count all the lines together and write the number after is equal to. Addition of 3 numbers. Example. Let us add 3, 2 and 3. First off we write the numbers as shown. Now, draw lines separately for each number. Count all the lines together and write the answer. Since there are 8 lines in all, the answer is 8. Addition on number line. We can add numbers by counting ahead on the number line. We start from 0 to the first given number. Let us add 2 plus 6. From 2, jump 6 numbers ahead to reach 8. Chapter 10. Ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are those numbers which are placed in the order at first, second, third, fourth, etc. The given picture shows a dog race. Let us mark the position of different dogs. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Let us learn ordinal numbers with numerals. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Chapter 11. Subtraction. Taking something away from a collection is known as subtraction. The result obtained is called difference. Subtraction by counting objects. There were 8 monkeys on the branch of tree. 2 monkeys got down from the branch. Now there are only 6 monkeys left. We see that 2 monkeys out of 8 monkeys got down. Now, 6 monkeys are left. Hence, it means 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. We read it as 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Is the sign of minus or subtraction or taking away? Is the sign of is equal to? Answer is written after this sign. Subtraction by drawing and crossing lines. Let us subtract 3 from 9. First of all, put the bigger number above the smaller number. Draw 9 lines beside the number 9 and cut 3 of them as shown. Count the remaining lines. 6 lines are left. So, we get 6 as difference, which is our answer. Subtraction on number line. We can subtract numbers by counting backward on the number line. First we jump from 0 to the bigger number and then count backward equal to the smaller number. Let us subtract 4 from 8. From 0 to 8 and then count 4 backwards to reach 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Chapter 12. Numbers 21 to 100. Read and understand the numbers from 21 to 30. To tens plus 1 120 plus 1 is equal to 21. To tens plus 2 ones 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. To tens plus 3 ones 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. To tens plus 4 ones 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. To tens plus 5 ones 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. To tens plus 6 ones 20 plus 6 is equal to 26. To tens plus 7 ones 20 plus 7 is equal to 27. To tens plus 8 ones 20 plus 8 is equal to 28. To tens plus 9 ones 20 plus 9 is equal to 29. To tens plus 10 ones 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. Read and understand the numbers from 31 to 40. 3 tens plus 1 130 plus 1 is equal to 31. 3 tens plus 2 ones 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. 3 tens plus 3 ones 30 plus 3 is equal to 33. 3 tens plus 4 ones 30 plus 4 is equal to 34. 3 tens plus 5 ones 30 plus 5 is equal to 35. 3 tens plus 6 ones 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. 3 tens plus 7 ones 30 plus 7 is equal to 37. 3 tens plus 8 ones 30 plus 8 is equal to 38. 3 tens plus 9 ones 30 plus 9 is equal to 39. 3 tens plus 10 ones 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. Read and understand the numbers from 41 to 50. 4 tens plus 1 140 plus 1 is equal to 41. 43 tens plus 2 ones 40 plus 2 is equal to 42. 4 tens plus 3 ones 40 plus 3 is equal to 43. 4 tens plus 4 ones 40 plus 4 is equal to 44. 4 tens plus 5 ones 40 plus 5 is equal to 45. 4 tens plus 6 ones 40 plus 6 is equal to 46. 4 tens plus 7 ones 40 plus 7 is equal to 47. 4 tens plus 8 ones 40 plus 8 is equal to 48. 4 tens plus 9 ones 40 plus 9 is equal to 49. 4 tens plus 10 ones 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. Read and understand the numbers from 51 to 60. 5 tens plus 1 150 plus 1 is equal to 51. 5 tens plus 2 ones 50 plus 2 is equal to 52. 5 tens plus 3 ones 50 plus 3 is equal to 53. 5 tens plus 4 ones 50 plus 4 is equal to 54. 5 tens plus 5 ones 50 plus 5 is equal to 55. 5 tens plus 6 ones 50 plus 6 is equal to 56. 5 tens plus 7 ones 50 plus 7 is equal to 57. 5 tens plus 8 ones 50 plus 8 is equal to 58. 5 tens plus 9 ones 50 plus 9 is equal to 59. 5 tens plus 10 ones 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. Read and understand the numbers from 61 to 70. 6 tens plus 1 160 plus 1 is equal to 61. 6 tens plus 2 160 plus 2 is equal to 62. 6 tens plus 3 160 plus 3 is equal to 63. 6 tens plus 4 160 plus 4 is equal to 64. 6 tens plus 5 160 plus 5 is equal to 65. 6 tens plus 6 160 plus 6 is equal to 66. 6 tens plus 7 160 plus 7 is equal to 67. 6 tens plus 8 160 plus 8 is equal to 68. 6 tens plus 9 160 plus 9 is equal to 69. 6 tens plus 10 160 plus 10 is equal to 70. Read and understand the numbers from 71 to 80. 7 tens plus 1 170 plus 1 is equal to 71. 7 tens plus 2 170 plus 2 is equal to 72. 7 tens plus 3 170 plus 3 is equal to 73. 7 tens plus 4 170 plus 4 is equal to 74. 7 tens plus 5 170 plus 5 is equal to 75. 7 tens plus 6 170 plus 6 is equal to 76. 7 tens plus 7 170 plus 7 is equal to 77. 7 tens plus 8 170 plus 8 is equal to 78. 7 tens plus 9 170 plus 9 is equal to 79. 7 tens plus 10 170 plus 10 is equal to 80. Read and understand the numbers from 81 to 90. 8 tens plus 1 180 plus 1 is equal to 81. 8 tens plus 2 ones 80 plus 2 is equal to 82. 8 tens plus 3 ones 80 plus 3 is equal to 83. 8 tens plus 4 ones 80 plus 4 is equal to 84. 8 tens plus 5 ones 80 plus 5 is equal to 85. 8 tens plus 6 ones 80 plus 6 is equal to 86. 8 tens plus 7 ones 80 plus 7 is equal to 87. 8 tens plus 8 ones 80 plus 8 is equal to 88. 8 tens plus 9 ones 80 plus 9 is equal to 89. 8 tens plus 10 ones 80 plus 10 is equal to 90. Read and understand the numbers from 91 to 100. 9 tens plus 1 190 plus 1 is equal to 91. 9 tens plus 2 ones 90 plus 2 is equal to 92. 9 tens plus 3 ones 90 plus 3 is equal to 93. 9 tens plus 4 ones 90 plus 4 is equal to 94. 9 tens plus 5 ones 90 plus 5 is equal to 95. 9 tens plus 6 ones 90 plus 6 is equal to 96. 9 tens plus 7 ones 90 plus 7 is equal to 97. 9 tens plus 8 ones 90 plus 8 is equal to 98. 9 tens plus 9 ones 90 plus 9 is equal to 99. 9 tens plus 10 ones 90 plus 10 is equal to 100. Chapter 13. Addition of two-digit numbers. Let us add 22 and 23. First write the numbers one below the other as shown. Then add numbers under one's column. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Write 5 in one's column. Next, add number under 10's column. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Write 4 in 10's column. The sum is 45. Chapter 14. Subtraction of two-digit numbers. Let us subtract 24 from 88. Write the smaller number below the bigger number as shown. First, subtract ones. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Write 4 in ones column. Next, subtract tens. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Write 6 in tens column. The difference is 64. Chapter 15. Multiplication. Same numbers added repeatedly is called multiplication. Example, 2 mangoes plus 2 mangoes plus 2 mangoes is equal to how many mangoes? We can say 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6 mangoes. Thus, 2 taken 3 times makes 6. We write it as 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6 is a multiplication fact. We say 2 multiplied by 3 gives 6. The sign times means multiply. Chapter 16. Time. A watch or clock tells us time. A clock has two hands, the long hand and the short hand. The long hand shows the minutes and the short shows the hours. The clock shorthand has numbers from 1 to 12 on its face. Long hand. Shorthand. In this clock, long hand is at 12 and shorthand is at 10. The time is 10 o'clock. In this clock, long hand is at 12 and shorthand is at 8. The time is 8 o'clock. Chapter 17. Days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Chapter 18. Months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. Say their names aloud. Repeat until you remember their order. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Let's revise. Let the children count the months on their knuckles and remember the number of days in each month. Right hand. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Left hand. August, September, October, November, December. Chapter 19. Money. Money is of two types. 1 coins, they are made of metal. There are 100 paise in 1 rupee. Rupee is the symbol of Indian rupee. Coins. 50 paise coin. 1 rupees coin. 2 rupees coin. 5 rupees coin. 10 rupees coin. 20 rupees coin. Notes. 2 notes, they are made of paper with silver strip on it. 1 rupee. 2 rupee. 5 rupee. 10 rupee. 20 rupee. 50 rupee. 100 rupee. 500 rupee.